Let's begin in a seated position. Cross your shins and let your sit bones root, and settle the shoulders right over the hips. Push down through the seat and grow tall through the crown. Stay here and take a deep inhale and a heavy exhale. And one more here, inhale and exhale. Inhale, reach the arms tall. Side body stretch, right hand grounds down, exhale, left arm up and over. Stay here or circle sweep the arm. Come to a gentle stop. Inhale the arms overhead. Other side, left hand down, exhale right arm up and over. Stay here or make circle sweeps with the arm. Come to a gentle stop. Inhale, reach the arms tall. Arms lower, exhale. Wrist stretch. Flip the right palm to face away, fingertips point down. Left hand pulls back on the right. Feel the inside of the arm and wrist open. Release. Other wrist now. Left palm faces away, fingertips down. Right hand pulls back. Let this stretch be really gentle. Release the shape. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Then hinge at the hips, walk the hands forward and fold. Exhale. Release down. Let the head and shoulders relax. Slowly rise up. Uncross and recross the legs. Seated fold other side. Take a breath in, sit tall. Lead with the heart as you fold forward. Exhale. Let your head hang. Let your hips sink down. Slowly rise back up. Uncross and recross the legs. Hands behind. Unfold the legs and bring your feet in front, about as wide as your mat. Wave the knees from side to side. Come to stillness and find easy seat again. Bound angle pose. Draw the soles of the feet together and let the knees open wide. Begin to hinge forward and inhale to lengthen your spine. Keep the spine long and exhale, soften down even more. Stay folded over and slowly walk your hands to the right side. Maybe stack your left hand on top of the right. Feel the stretch in the lower back and breathe here. Now walk your hands over to the left. Anchor the right hip and send breath into the right side of the lower back. Bring the hands back to center. Inhale, rise up. Keep the right foot drawn in toward the inner left thigh and extend the left leg long for Janu Shirshasana. Right hand behind you, left hand to your knee and twist right. Move the right shoulder back and take your gaze beyond the right shoulder. Gently unwind. Inhale, lengthen your low back, reach your crown tall. With a long spine, exhale, fold over the leg. Bend your left knee if you need to keep the low back long. Come back up. Gomukhasana. Bend your left knee in and sweep your right leg on top. Let the knees stack and draw the heels in close to your hips. Inhale, press your hips down. And exhale, walk your hands forward and fold over your legs. Heavy the head to feel a stretch through the cervical spine. Rise back up. Hands behind. Bring the feet flat to the mat for reverse tabletop. Then lift the hips. Exhale, lower back down. Janu twist, second side. Right leg long, left foot to right inner thigh. Left hand behind you, right hand to your knee and twist left. Gaze over the left shoulder. Release the twist. Inhale, keep your low back long. Then fold over the leg as you exhale. As you breathe, you can continue to pull yourself deeper into the stretch, or you can relax your torso down over your leg and let gravity do the work. Start to rise. Gomukhasana. Bend the right knee in and drape the left leg on top. Draw the heels in close to your hips so that the knees stack. Inhale as you root through your hips. Exhale, fold gently forward. Let your chin come towards your chest and your outer hips root down into the mat. Slowly rise. Make your way onto your back. Draw your right knee into your chest, left leg long. Exhale, take the knee to the left. Extend your right arm to the right and gaze right. Just settle in here and let everything be heavy. Slowly unwind. Other side now. Left knee up, right leg long. Exhale, drape the left knee across your body. Send the left arm out to the left side, gaze left. Mount the left shoulder down toward the mat. Slowly unwind, then draw your knees up tightly into your chest. Take one more long inhale. And exhale, Shavasana. Lay the legs out long. Work the arms out to the sides. Just close your eyes and be still. Feel free to stay exactly as you are for as long as you'd like. Thank you for sharing your practice with us.